Did you know that around 1/3 of all food produced globally ends up in the trash? Yet so much of it could still be useful if we got creative with food that's past its sell-by date. Let's look at how we can reduce waste and make the most out of our expired food. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into expired food hacks. Instead of throwing away food that's past its date, we'll explore ways to repurpose it creatively, helping you save money and reduce waste. Let's give expired food a second chance. So many people believe that expired food is automatically unsafe to consume, but that's not always true. Sell-by dates are more of a guideline for peak quality, not a hard deadline on safety. Yet, this misconception leads to tons of waste. With a little know-how, we can identify safe ways to use some of these items. Of course, it's important to make sure expired food is still safe. Avoid anything moldy, sour-smelling, or overly discolored. But for many items, a sell-by date doesn't mean they're ready for the bin. Let's start with some common expired food hacks. For example, overripe fruits like bananas are perfect for smoothies or baking, where their natural sweetness shines. Or you can use stale bread to make croutons or even breadcrumbs for cooking. And don't forget about those soft, wilted herbs. Just dry them out and use them as seasoning. There are endless possibilities once you get creative. Now let's get to the fun part. Here are my top 3 favorite unexpected hacks for expired food. Overripe avocados that have gone too soft can be used as a moisturizing face mask. Just mash them up and apply for a natural skincare boost. Got a bottle of flat cola? Use it to clean grime off pots and pans. Its acidity works wonders on stubborn stains. And if milk is just starting to sour, you can turn it into homemade cheese or buttermilk for cooking. So those were some of my favorite expired food hacks. By reusing food creatively, you're not only saving money but also contributing to a more sustainable future. Little changes can make a big impact. Now it's your turn. Share your own creative expired food hacks in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video on food sustainability. Together, we can make a difference.